Looks like we have a leak somewhere. First thing we're going to have to do is take out the plug that's in the bottom of the pontoon. There's a small hex head, Allen head, stainless, and that came out. Next I'm going to have to pressurize that hole and put some air in the pontoon, a couple psi, and see if we can find out where the leak is coming from. I'm going to have to make a special little tool for this. I rigged up a pressure gauge and screwed it into the bottom of the pontoon with a valve, and this is just a 10 psi gauge because you don't want to put too much in there. And when I pressurize this, you should be able to find the leak with some soapy water. I don't even need soapy water, I can hear it. Something was in there and punched a hole in it. I can't really weld that, so I'm going to have to use some putty on it. And then I can see if there are any other holes. That's a pretty big one. Put that putty in place and smashed it into the hole and pushed it all around the edges, and we'll see how it does. Yeah, one there. That's always going through the water, so that could explain it. So that's 2 leaks. The leak is inside here, so I'm going to cut this off and then grind everything down.
Like, if artificial intelligence really works, if I misspell somebody's, see, once you get down to that grainy looking aluminum, then it's clean. chances are it's not leaking.
Have a way of leaking through if there's a hole.
If we see a little bit of bleeding around that thing there, we're not worried about that.
To make the red show up better.
Yeah, if it's leaking, you can see a tiny little bit of red right there leaking through where the threads are.
Okay.
Let's just let it sit like that.